Hi everyone. This next part of the module, or these next couple of lectures, will be on sprinklers. And so let's start and have a look. So you have different kinds of sprinklers or sprinkler irrigation. You've got the quick coupling. You can look at the drag line. So you've got a main hose that with a sprinkler attached to it that you move. Then you've got the cannon, which mainly just refers to the fact that there's a huge um, sprinkler on the whole system that shoots the water out at a massive force over a huge distance. So the pressure is a lot. The swing, so it's called that because of this huge boom or bar that you can see there, and it rotates. Quick coupling. So quick coupling is pipes like this one with some sprinklers on top of that pipe, and then it is also moved manually. So this whole pipe will be picked up and moved to a different area. Side roll. So with the side roll, you can see these round wheels, if we can call it that, with sprinklers attached to this main line. So what happens is these these sprinklers are turned on, and if it's turned on, this whole bar or this whole system is in one place, then eventually it will be turned off, and your system, the side roll system, will be moved this side or maybe that side in order to irrigate on a different place, then stops and is switched on again. So let's look at the different components of a sprinkler system. And this just to show you maybe an example of a quick coupling system. So you can turn it on in this area and irrigate, then turn it off and move it to a different area in your field. So the different components of the sprinklers, here's all the names, but this sketch will show it better. So you've got your stop end, so that's the end of the whole system. Then you've got your lateral pipes, so it's this pipe where all the sprinklers are attached to. So this is your main line, and this is your lateral pipe. Your stand pipe or your stand, so the sprinkler is attached to the stand on your lateral pipe. Then you've got a pressure gauge to make sure that from your main line to the lateral, water is being pumped at a adequate pressure. Here's your main line, delivery valve, centrifugal pump, so the pumping water throughout this main line, and then you've got your suction pump and your foot valve. So firstly, let's look at the main line. So just to make sure everyone understands, it's this line that is coming from your pump. And so the pipe delivers the water from the pump to the laterals. So maybe we can look at it like this as well. Here's your main line. That's your pump. And then you've got a lot of laterals that are coming out of that main line. So it's installed either under or above the ground, and it is usually thicker in diameter than these lateral lines or pumps. Then you've got your hydrant valve. So this is just a valve right here from the main line to your laterals, and it is to ensure that water is being pumped at the correct or delivered at the correct pressure. And here's just a picture of that hydrant valve. So you can see here is your main line, and there's the lateral with the smaller diameter. So your laterals, your pipe that delivers water from the main line to the sprinkler. So you've got a couple of sprinklers on this lateral, and from your main line it delivers water to the sprinkler. So it's got a smaller diameter, and it has pressure reducing valves for topography. So you can imagine now if you've got a line like this, lateral line, and it's going up a hill, you'll have a loss in pressure when you are going upwards or up a hill. So that's why you need pressure valves as well. And here is your sprinkler. So it's got a tension spring, a swing arm, a nozzle, a rotation bearing, and connection to male adapter. So these sprinklers, how do you choose the correct sprinkler? You want to make sure that your sprinkler distributes your water uniformly. So while it is rotating, you want to make sure that the whole area surrounding the sprinkler is receiving water at the same rate, so that there's a uniform distribution on the soil of water. Precipitation rate, so that's just the rate at which the water is being delivered. Drop size and distribution. Cost and backup service. And this table just to show for different pressures, different kinds of orchards or crops can be irrigated. So your pressure that you apply then plays a role in knowing what kind of crop you want to irrigate. I think that's enough for this video.